A very warm welcome to PCE Instruments, your manufacturer of test and measuring instruments for industry, trade and research.
Hello and welcome. I would like to introduce you to the PCE-RD 75, a radon detector, a nice handy device with an attractive and easy-to-read display. In the middle we see the most important value, the currently measured radon value, in this case in picocurie per liter. However, the device can just as easily be switched to becquerel per cubic meter. It measures between 6 becquerel per cubic meter and 10 kilobecquerel per cubic meter, and thus covers the entire required range. The scale display at the top is particularly attractive, as it shows at a glance how the current value is to be classified, and that even people who are not familiar with the units can tell. They can immediately recognize whether the value is good, bad, or worrying, and then act accordingly. We have other displays down here. For example, we see the accumulated display, the accumulated value of the last 19 days, in the case that the device is currently running here. We can press on it here because it's a touchscreen, and hold down on the average value of the last 12 hours, the last 24 hours, the last 48 hours, and the last 96 hours, and then return to the total value. The big dot at the bottom here takes us to the menu, and here we have the sub-item settings, and if we look there, we can define the alarm values. Personally, we can activate a power-saving mode. We can define the unit, date, and time, and we can translate other points here. And of course, we can also go back to normal measurement mode. The device comes with a battery that lasts for 12 days, standby, which runs for 12 days without a power supply. We have the ability to record measurements for over 500 days at a time. And we have a power supply. So on the one hand, the power supply to charge the battery or to operate the device from the mains via a USB-C port. But we can also connect the device to this USB-C port on the computer, and then a PDF file is automatically generated, and we can take a quick look at it. So we get a report like this, and when we go to the next page, we immediately have a report, and we don't need any software on the computer. The device does this fully automatically, so we can look at the values that the device has measured, because with radon concentration, it is very important to measure over a longer period of time, and to look at the individual points in time, because the radon concentration fluctuates greatly depending on the weather, the ventilation behavior in the room, and other aspects. And in addition to the graphical representation, we also have a table with the measured values at different times. So all in all, it's a device that offers a wide range of options for measuring the radon concentration in a place, be it in common rooms where we spend long periods of time, the bedroom, the living room, but of course also in the professional sector, in workshops, in offices where we spend long periods of time, in order to measure the radon concentration there. To measure the radon concentration there with the PCE-RD 75. Have a nice day, see you next time, and goodbye.
Discover and order the latest measuring and test equipment now on www.pce-instruments.com.